CAMFive EMB. My name is Caroline, and in today's video we're going to make a St. Patrick's Day embroidery shirt. And also I'm going to share with you some tips for this kind of embroidery ideas.
Start as always by opening Welcome. Open your reference file and lock it. This time we're not using the auto digitize mode. We will show you how to make this embroidery work by applying manual digitizing and some shortcuts to speed the process. If you already have a JPG and want to auto-digitize it, it's up to you. We're going to use the complex fill stitch to fill the figures. The manual digitizing can be a little bit tricky. For example, if you click by accident the intro on your keyboard while drawing, you're going to close your vector and have to start all over again. The process for the eye and the clover is the same, but we're using a different technique for the beer mug. For the beer mug, we are using a technique similar to the Adobe Illustrator Pathfinder. First, draw the full outline and click Intro to close the vector. Now, draw the inside of the beer foam. Once you finish, click 2 times on Intro. By doing this 2 times, you are closing the vector and cutting the fill before showing the stitches. The last step is drawing the inside of the handle cup. Once you finish placing the vectors, you will click 3 times Intro on your keyboard. This third click is besides cutting the fill, also shows the fill stitches. The last step is to set the jump threads and fix your stitches as you like. Let's move on to the embroidery machine. I'm using the 12 inches frame. As I am using for this project a cotton stretch shirt, I will place 2 layers of stabilizer under the shirt between, making sure the shirt strains well to avoid fabric shrinkage, and place the frame into the embroidery machine. On the touch panel, select the design from your USB, the frame, the thread colors, and depending on your design and material, adjust the speed. Start embroidery. I decided to use the white thread to create a nice contrast. Seasonal products like this idea, inspired by St. Patrick's Day, is a highly marketable idea to add to your embroidery services. Why don't you give it a try? Once your embroidery machine finishes, remove the frame from the machine and take the shirt out of the frame. Rip off the stabilizer and it's done.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more content like this. See you next time and happy St. Patrick's Day!